Welcome to ITBAR, the channel where we break down IT concepts in the simplest possible way. Today I'm going to show you 15 CMD commands every IT professional must know. These are the commands I personally use in troubleshooting, networking, system diagnostics, and day-to-day IT support. And trust me, you won't believe what command number 15 does. Let's jump right in. 1. ipconfig. ipconfig is one of the first commands any IT person learns. It shows your IP address, your gateway, your DNS servers, and all network adapters on your system. You use this command every time you troubleshoot internet problems. When someone says, "I can't connect to the internet," ipconfig is the first place you start. 2. ipconfig/all. This is the advanced version of the previous command. ipconfig/all gives a complete breakdown: MAC address, DHCP server, lease times, and much more. If you're doing enterprise troubleshooting, this command gives you the full story. 3. Ping. Ping checks whether you can reach another device. A successful ping means your network is working. You can ping your router, you can ping Google, you can ping a server to check if it's alive. Every IT support role uses ping multiple times a day. 4. Tracert. Tracert shows the path your traffic takes to reach a destination. It's very useful when something works inside your network but fails outside your network. It tells you exactly where the traffic stops. If internet feels slow, Tracert helps you identify where the slowdown is happening. 5. nslookup. nslookup digs into DNS records. Whenever websites don't load or you suspect DNS issues, you run nslookup. It shows which DNS server you're using and what IP address a domain resolves to. DNS issues are very common, so this command is extremely helpful. 6. System info. This command gives a complete system report: Windows version, install date, RAM, boot time, BIOS version, and more. If you need to document a machine for work, system info saves you a ton of time. 7. Task list. Task list shows all programs and background services running on your PC. It's like Task Manager but in command line form. If a machine is slow or something suspicious is running, Task list will show it. 8. Task kill. You can use task kill to instantly close any application using its process name. This is extremely useful when apps freeze or stop responding. For example, taskkill/imnotepad.exe/f forces Notepad to close. 9. netstat. This command shows all active network connections. You can see which programs are using your internet, which ports are open, and whether any unknown connections exist. Great for troubleshooting and security awareness. 10. sfc/scano. This command scans and repairs corrupted system files. If your PC is acting strange, errors, crashes, missing files, sfc/scano can fix a lot of issues without reinstalling Windows. 11. chkdsk. chkdsk checks your disk for errors. It can repair bad sectors and prevent data loss. IT technicians run this command when a machine boots slowly, makes strange noises, or freezes randomly. 12. ipconfig/flushdns. This is a magical command that fixes many internet problems. Sometimes your stored DNS entries become outdated or corrupted. Flushing DNS removes old records and forces Windows to fetch fresh ones. If a website refuses to load, this command often fixes it instantly. 13. Driverquery. This command lists every driver installed on the system. You can see driver names, types, and dates. It's helpful when tracking down faulty drivers or verifying hardware installations. 14. Shutdown. You can shut down or restart a machine from CMD. Shutdown/S/T0, instant shutdown/R/T0, instant restart. This is powerful when managing remote computers or servers. 15. The shocking command. And now here comes the one you won't believe. The tree command. Tree visually displays every folder and optionally every file in your system. When you run tree/c//ipbar, your screen explodes with a massive waterfall of text. It's dramatic, intense, and honestly, kind of satisfying to watch. It's great for demonstrations, security audits, or simply understanding the structure of a directory. These commands will make your troubleshooting faster, your work more professional, and your IT skills more powerful. Thanks for watching ITBAR. See you in the next one.